Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and I had a request from one of our subscriber being Paki. I think he's from Pakistan and I am also from Pakistan, so he asked for the XVS analysis Venus. So I'm gonna make a video on the XVS USDT pair. So let's start the technical analysis. So I'm gonna start with the monthly. Monthly chart is the best for the confirmations, for the strong zones, for the strong areas. So I'm gonna start with the monthly here. That would be too high. We have to predict where the price is currently moving at. So this one is also a good area. Let's move to the weekly one. You can see here how perfectly it bounced off this area, so it shows that this is a good spot, this is a good resistance right now, and this is also a good area. I'm gonna make it white, I'm gonna make it bold line here as well. Why I selected this area? Because this was the swing low and I choose the down wick of the swing low candle. So what's next now? If we take a look at here, this is also a good zone, but that's too much far away from the current price. I'm gonna now move on to the daily chart. So let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see here we have a good rejections here at this zone. You see here at this zone as well. So what's next? This can also be a good local demand zone. I can draw this as well. Gonna make it yellow maybe, or maybe orange would be a good color. Okay, and now I'm gonna draw another one here at this area. So this is this can be a good demand zone. Why? Because you see, when the price reached here, it reacted and get rejected and then moves down. Here again the price come to this zone, then again came down. If we move on, when the price came up, it reacted from this area and got rejected, then the price move up again, price came down, get rejected, and then move on, boom. So right now here you see that this candle tried to reach this area but got rejected. So this is a good resistance, or you can see right now it is a supply zone because the price is below the this zone. If the price could have been above here, then this could have been the demand zone, but right now it's a supply zone. It's our first resistance, or you can say this is our first take profit. So if we mark the price here, this one $60, the next one would be around somewhat here. So 60 to 65, that is the first take profit, what I think. Okay, and you can see here this was the swing low and this candle is in formation. So if we close above this level, this would be a new lower higher low, sorry. So if we go back here, you see this is also a main area. We see a rejection here, we see another rejections, we see the multiple rejections from this area. So what I think, that this area is a good spot. This area is a good spot. This candle needs to close above this area for now. You can see here, although the candle is going down due to the BTC price is moving down. If we take a look at the BTC right now, let me go to the Binance, and here right now, if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, I was making a trend lines on the 1 hour chart. Here you can see the price is moving down, it is following the trend line. This is the BTC for you. It can go down to this level here. We can see due to the BTC, we can't expect the price of alts to move up. We have to respect for the price of all coins. So this is also near the, if we match this one as well, So it is also in a, you can say this is a triangle wedge, you see here, this one. But let me go back to the channel. But if the price of BTC falls down below this level, that would be 36,000, then surely the alts are gonna fall, and this is what I'm very worried about right now. If the XVS closes below this area, which is $36, okay, the BTC, this XVS needs to close above this area. XVS has to close above this area in order to stay bullish. So this is the current scenario, guys. This is the key level, and what could be the next resistance, as here, if we draw this one here and this one, if we go to the 4-hour, I'm gonna get the more confirmation. If we go back in the history, let me go back to the history chart. Yeah, this one, this is a good zone, and you can see here we have downward movement here. You can see, if we take a look here, this one, if we zoom in a bit, here you can see 1 rejection, 2 rejections, 3 rejections, and then on the 4th attempt it went up, and this wick, so means this was a swing high. We can draw this level as well. So now this is a perfect demand zone. Now you can see here, this is a zone where these candles were reacting to. So now I'm gonna move to the current price scenario, and you can see here, if the price falls down below this area, this is the swing low, this is the local swing low. I'm gonna make it dotted one. This one here is a local swing low. If candle falls below this one, then surely we are going to test this area, which is $22 to $23. This is the local spot. Let me draw here. Okay, this one, $22. Okay, but if the candle closes above this area, which would be $36 here, $36, then we can have a next move on the, let me show you guys here, this could be a good swing. Yeah, this one is a very perfect here. Let me make it lined and make it white or blue. Okay, you see here, this is the swing high candle here, and we see down wicks 2, 3, 4. Then when it broke through this candle, it showed that this became the resistance, you see here. Then on the next candle it broke through, then you see the candles are closing above this area. So what I think is, if the candle closes above this area, and the take profit would be this one around this area, and that would be, I'm gonna also draw another zone here. Yeah, this one is also a good zone. So the take profit would be somewhere around 48 47, 48 to 47. That would be the perfect, if the candle closes above this level, we can have a perfect take profit of 32% here. But that's only gonna happen if this candle closes above this area, because this is the main resistance area for now, $36. So XVS needs to close above this area with a strong volume, and then it can consolidate somewhere here, and then if the BTC price moves up, surely it is gonna move to the $48. For now, if BTC falls, we can have a resistance, we can have the price falls down to this one, $31. This would be the first support, and the next support would be around $22. I think you have got the technical analysis, you have got the idea. If you want to buy, you can place the order around $31. Okay, if it falls further, you need to place your orders around here, the second support. Okay, so, and if this candle closes above here, then you can take your profit from this area, $47. As I told you, this one was the swing high candle, and we can go to this level pretty easily, like this one. Okay, this one would be a good target. So that's it, guys. That was the price analysis of the Venus XVS USDT. Thank you, take care, bye bye.